beauty. Class of 1969. Look at the pipes on this thing. It's like it just came out of the box. Circle. Guys, this is one spectacular 69 SL350, and I'm pretty sure if you check online on our channel, we've restored more SL350s than any other company on planet Earth in the last 15 years. We've done a lot of these, and some of them were, you know, tune-ups, get them running, maybe a paint job. Very few of them were frame-off concourse level restorations on low-mile originals like this one. This is, I believe this is the nicest one we've ever done. It looks like brand new. It runs like brand new. It's got 7,842 miles on the original gauges. We've got clean title in hand, and every nut and bolt on this bike has been beautifully re-chrome plated and or polished if it's aluminum. You see all the aluminum is polished, all the chrome is polished or redone. And it has the original unobtainium Honda exhaust on this bike, which is absolutely unheard of to find that in this condition. They're usually all dented up and dinged up and rusted out. But take a close look at these pipes, man. They are the nicest set I've ever had on any SL350 I've had in the shop here. Look at these things. They're freaking absolutely beautiful. With the original chrome cover on there, the original chrome wheel set is intact. Just a beautiful, beautiful low-mile original that was taken right down on the frame. The frame was painted the original Honda silver. The tanks were repainted the original factory color with the white stripe on there. The original badge is in mint shape. The seat is beautifully recovered. Everything works perfect on the bike, just like it should, brand new. Electric start or kick start. It starts and runs perfect. It'll ride all day long at 65 miles an hour. It's a really killer example of this model, the best we've had through the shop yet. Front tire was replaced when the bike was restored. You can see it's in brand new condition. The fork lowers, the forks were rebuilt with new seals, new sliders. The lowers were polished. The chrome on the upper fork tube is in excellent condition. There's no pitting. Maybe a tiny bit of patina on them, but they're is the nicest original set I've seen. The chrome on the in the headlight housing mount is perfectly straight. The gauges look to be in brand new condition. The glass on them, the original glass is in mint shape. It's usually all yellowed out and discolored. They look fantastic. The bars are in mint shape. The original switch housings are really super clean. And the tank, when I sat on it, when you sit on this bike and you see all the beautifully re-chromed pieces and the re-chromed gas cap and the factory always preserved nature wear helmet decal, you feel like you're sitting on a brand new motorcycle from 1969. You can see the triple clamp was beautifully restored and painted, and all the mounting hardware and the bolts and nuts, everything's chromed beautifully. The steering stem is in beautiful shape. You see it has the original VIN tag on here, SL350 VIN tag with the production date of, does it say 12? Was it?
1269.
1269. So making this a 1970 model, born in 1969. So it's a Christmas baby. So original kickstands in mint shape. Absolutely the finest one we've had through the shop. Engine compression tested perfect. The valves are perfectly tuned. It doesn't leak oil. The carbs are beautifully restored and repainted the original black. The chrome on the top was redone. New plugs, new plug wires, all new gaskets. You can see all the aluminum is professionally polished. New rubbers. The The peg mounts were repainted. The original shifter's in mint shape. It's a beautiful, beautiful machine. Really is. Nicest one we've had through the shop yet. And keep in mind, this is coming up on 60 years old. Yes, this is not a new bike, but it looks and runs and sounds like a brand new bike. It sounds awesome, shifts perfect, clutches on point, the brakes work great, starts right up, it's carbureted perfectly. It's as good as it gets. What would it cost to do this kind of work? You're looking at 100 hours of shop labor conservatively, including the paint and body work on this bike to restore one to this level at current shop rates of $150 an hour. You'd have a $15,000 work order to turn your classic into this, plus the parts. So that's why, you know, at Meek Room recently, one sold for $15,000, restored one like this. Several have sold in the $10,000 to $12,000 range. And also on Bring a Trailer, one broke $15,000 because, well, it's a 60-year-old classic and it's restored beautifully from a mint original low mile bike. So this is going to ring the bell. The reserve will be well below what the Meekum comps are, so it'll be priced right, and whoever buys this one's getting a real diamond, and it's done. It means nothing but go out and have some summer fun. Press the electric start button, or if you want to show off, you can kickstart it. Beautiful piece, definitely Kaplan America approved. Thanks for watching. Call Junior, because this will be gone in New York second. God bless America.